Right, gather round everyone. I've got a tale to tell, and this one's full of magic, mystery, and a little bit of spook. Don't worry, it's not too spooky. Are you ready? Let's dive into the book. Once upon a time, in Tiny Tales Land, it was Halloween night. The moon was big, the wind was chilly, and little Pip was on a quest. He had to find the magical pumpkin patch before the clock struck midnight. But there was one teeny tiny problem. Pip had the hiccups. Hic! Oh no, he groaned. How will I sneak around with these hiccups? As Pip hiccuped through the woods, a spooky shadow jumped out. Who's there? Pip squeaked. It's me, Ollie the Owl, said a wise voice. You'll need to hold your breath to stop those hiccups. Try it. So Pip held his breath, but the hiccups just wouldn't go away. Hic! Ollie fluttered his wings. You'll never make it to the magical pumpkin patch if you keep hiccuping like that. Try drinking some water from the river. Pip raced to the river and gulped down the cold water. But, hic! The hiccups were still there. What do I do now? Pip cried, looking at the midnight sky. Then a friendly bat swooped down. Have you tried standing upside down? The bat suggested. So Pip stood on his head, his little paws in the air. But guess what? Hic! Oh no! Pip sighed. I'm never going to find the magical pumpkin patch. Time was running out, and Pip was feeling hopeless. What could he do? Just as the clock was about to strike midnight, Pip saw a flickering light in the distance. It was the magical pumpkin patch. With a final hic, Pip ran towards the glowing pumpkins. And do you know what? The moment he touched the biggest pumpkin, his hiccups vanished. Hooray! He cheered. I made it! The pumpkins sparkled, and Pip realized something special. Sometimes you just have to keep going, even when things don't go as planned. And that's the story of Pip's spooky Halloween quest. The lesson here? Never give up, even when things get tricky. Keep trying, and you might find that things work out just fine in the end. Now, if you liked this story, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got new adventures coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget our Stories podcast every Friday. See you next time! Subscribe, like, and share this video. Remember to check out our next story for more magical adventures and life lessons from Tiny Tales Land.